A is for apple. Triangles, circles, squares, and more. Let's make letters and foods. Let's start with A. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. D is for donut. E is for egg. F is for fries. G is for grape. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for milk. N is for noodles. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quail egg. R is for rice. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vegetable. W is for watermelon. X is for Christmas cookie. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Let's sing the ABC song together. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.